There's nothing like a warm bowl of Jamaican peanut porridge to start the day or end it. Let's make it. Water. Cinnamon stick, cinnamon leaf. Nutmeg mace. Orange peel. Cover and allow to steep for about 5 to 10 minutes. Soaked raw peanut. Soaked sea moss or Irish moss. Oats. Coconut milk. Tick, tick, tick. Evaporated milk. Ooh. Creamy goodness. Salt. Cover and allow to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Vanilla. Almond spice. Nutmeg. And as women always say, use the sweetener what you like. Honey, sugar, may I use sweetened condensed milk. Smells so good already. You know what nice? When the bottom of this ketchup and then it cool and you just the bottom of this nice and like seriously. Make we go plate this up. Hey. Give them some. Now I'm gonna do a taste test. You think you're gonna like this one?
Yeah.
Remember I told you about that thing yesterday?
Yeah.
This after being a top treat. How much you give it?
My experience, 9.
What?
Yeah, because I like the texture. I like the texture of it, but it still can't replace my
How many
bumpy
corn?
one. Yeah.
Still can't replace how many corn?
Yeah. But this one is good.
Really good. It's really nice. Really nice. Nice. You can have this like a little snack. You can have this like breakfast. You can have this any time of day. It's just good. Bring your bowl. It was nice having you. The recipe will be on my blog. I'm gonna leave the link in the comment section down below or in the description box. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye guys.